What's up, guys? Welcome back. So as we know, guys, Deceit is a new add-on on Kodi. However, when trying to load the repo itself, it actually gives off an error where it tells you the server is down, for instance, or it cannot be accessed. So guys, the Deceit add-on is by the ONENATION repo. However, we cannot access it. So today I'm going to show you guys how to access it. And guys, it's actually downloading the repo itself to your PC to actually use it. So if you're on a Fire Stick or Android box, I can leave the links down in the description. Guys, you can use your downloader application to actually download this add-on and use it directly into Kodi. So firstly, let's get into this add-on to show some new guys how it actually operates. So we're going to Deceit. So as we see, guys, we've got tons of channels. You got latest releases, movies, TV shows, tracked sports streams, live TV, listers, 24/7, tune and anime, podcast, UK radio, Real Debrid. If you want to use Real Debrid streams or links, guys, you need to have a Real Debrid account to actually pay up and to use in this add-on. We've got a normal search tab as well, and we've got click to pay. Guys, so certain of the sources when scraped will pick up, for example, OpenLoad or video.me will ask you to actually pay up your device for up to 4 hours of use. So you can actually click on pay. It'll take you directly to their website to actually pay up your device and give you 4 hours of viewing. We've got the clear cache tab as well. So generally I often tell people to actually, when you start your Kodi up or you start your add-on, clear your cache. That's going to give you less buffer, less strain on your device, and clear up your memory on your device. So guys, we've got the settings tab thereafter. So let's try the UK radio, guys. So if you're outside the UK and you want to actually stream some of the radio streams and services, well, this add-on gives you this option, guys. It works quite flawlessly. However, I have noticed that it does take a bit long to open the folders due to the amount of content in it. So we've got tons and tons of content as we look at, guys. So we've got the BBCs, we've got Chill Radio, Clyde, we've got Dance, we've got Fix. There's tons and tons of contents, guys. As you can see, guys, I'm not going to go through every one of these. You guys can actually play around with it and actually go through it. For those of you that are actually already using the Deceit add-on, you can actually still continue viewing this, so I can actually give you the new repo. So if you have to do a fresh install, you'll actually be able to know how to do this full repo setup. So I'm just going to do a tester quickly. So I'm playing BBC 1 or Radio 1, guys. So we're just going to wait for it to actually start up. Guys, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe tab, to hit the notification bell, and to leave your comments down below. I see my subscribers have started to grow quite often, and there we have it, guys. It actually starts up quite well. I'm gonna actually lower the volume there, it's quite loud, and I'm gonna stop it there, guys. To actually stop your radio on Kodi, put your mouse pointer to the left hand side and you have the stop tab there. So you'll click on stop and it'll actually stop right there, guys. So that's your radio. As I was saying before, guys, my subscribers are actually growing, my views are growing. It's a thumbs up to you guys who have subscribed, and for those of you that haven't, go down there below, hit the subscribe tab and give me the support, guys. As we know, Kodi is under strain, even on YouTube. Many YouTubers have been taken down, so our smaller channels still have a chance to actually still be in this market field. So guys, I'm bringing you great content and I'm doing it on a daily basis. So we've got latest releases, we've got movies and TV shows. So let's try the movies. As I was saying, guys, you can see it takes some time to actually open up. As we say, click to pay every 4 hours. That's actually to pay your device to give you the streaming links. So we've got 4K movies, which are Real Debrid only, guys. So you need a Real Debrid account to actually stream 4K, and you need a very fast internet connection. These files are actually large, so you will need large internet capacity as well. So we've got 2018 movies, we've got trending movies, now playing, popular, years, genres, and search. So let's go into popular movies. So as we see guys, it opens up very fast. In that instance, we've got Jurassic World, Mission Impossible, Ant-Man, Avengers, Thor, Ready Player One, Purge. So there's tons and tons of content here guys, and you've got a different page to actually go through to the next page as well. So they have different lists on there. So I'm just going to try one out for you guys just to show you how it works. Guys, I'm not going to go through this whole add-on itself to actually pull the video in time frame. It's the short tutorials just to give you guys how it actually works, just to show you guys the repo itself, and just give you guys good quality content. So as we see, it scrapes the content. We've got 51% reading at the moment, so we can go right up. We've got a Google link here guys. Well, Google links are your fastest links guys, so I'm going to use that link for now. Remember, when streaming from sources, you need to actually find out which is your best links from whichever country you're streaming from to actually give you that better performance and less buffer experience. As we see guys, it opens up flawlessly. It starts up in HD quality. This is a movie that's already been released, so it's quite good in the quality itself, and there's no buffer. So I actually studied the good links that actually work on Kodi, and I keep using those same links if they appear. So guys, Google link, check it out. It works really well and it streams perfectly. So I'm just gonna forward the movie for you again just to show you that it actually works. So there we have it guys. It starts up, it works flawlessly. You can even forward as well. So I'm gonna stop this here guys. Guys, if you're using Android box or Fire Sticks and you want to actually speed up your device, check out my previous upload. I have some ways of actually improving your speed on your Android or Fire Stick devices. And guys, I've got tons of videos that have just come out as well, so please check out those videos, hit the thumbs up, leave those comments down below, and let me know what you think guys. So I'm just going to go back out guys. So we're going to go back out to the main menu. Just going to show you guys one more thing, and from there we'll go on to actually installing. So guys, we've got live TV. Many guys or many people want to actually have free live TV. This add-on does allow you for that, but guys, remember, when it comes to live TV, some links will work, some links won't work. Sometimes they may work today, tomorrow they may not work. So live TV is an up and down situation. So the more add-ons you have, the better your experience. So when it comes to live TV guys, I'm a fan of LiveNet TV. So if we click on this, it's going to ask you to download the add-on itself. We can click yes, and we can wait for this LiveNet add-on to actually download. So we're just going to give it a few seconds to load guys. So as we see guys, live TV opens up. You got sports, entertainment, news, cookie. It's the same basic APK turned into Kodi add-on and works flawlessly guys. It does work flawlessly. I've been using it and it works perfect. I'm not going to show you guys how it works due to time frame. I don't want to drag this tutorial for any longer. Guys, there is links in here that work. I've been testing out. I've tested BBC One, I've tested Sky Sports, I've tested BN Sports, so I've tested Discovery, and they work flawlessly guys. Although as I said, this add-on does have a lot of content on it and does take a bit of time to open each folder, but works flawlessly. So guys, in the comment section below, please let me know what you'll think of these add-ons. Hit those thumbs up if you think it's good, and don't forget to subscribe. That's the main thing guys. So when I come up with good content, you'll be the first to actually know about it. So let's get to installing this guys. It's quite easy, it's quite simple. So once you download, I'm going to leave the link in the description. Once you download that link, it's going to download the repository directly to your device, and then you'll go and click onto add-ons, guys. Once you're in add-ons, you're going to click on the box in the top left corner. You're going to install from zip file, guys, and you're going to select wherever that file has downloaded. So for me, it's actually saved under my C drive, which is on my PC. So we're going to click on the users, I'm going to click there, and I'm going to go to download. So once I've downloaded that, you see repository.ONENATION, guys, you can click on that, wait for the installation to pop up in the top right hand side corner. Once that is done, we can go install from repository. You can click on the ONENATION repo, you can click on video add-ons, and at the top, the second one, guys, we've got Deceit. So you'll click on that, and where mine says uninstall, yours will say install. You'll click on that. Once installation is done, you can then go and open the add-on, guys. It works perfect, it works flawlessly. As I showed you, it starts up. Guys, I think it's time for me to actually leave this tutorial. It's going quite long. I didn't expect it to be this long. So one more time, hit the subscribe tab, leave your comments down below, hit the notification bell, and let me know what you think of this add-on, guys. Right? And don't forget to check out my previous upload of speeding up your Fire Stick and Android devices. The link will be at the top of the screen, and I will have it in the description down below. Guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next upload.